How to log out of Gmail on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Gmail application on your phone. You will be directed to your primary inbox. Now, just tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. This will open up a new menu that displays all the Google accounts currently signed in. From this menu, on the bottom of the screen find and select the Manage option. On the next screen, you will be shown a list of your accounts. Tap on Remove from this device for the one you want to sign out of. A confirmation window will pop up to verify your choice. Tap the Remove button to continue. The account is now successfully removed, logging you out from that specific email address. Following these instructions, you can easily log out of Gmail on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.